New year, new set, new episodes of Canadian Critters. Finally! And 418 subscribers, Happy. Friends, we sure do appreciate you. Come on and see what's new on the farm. My belly. My head. Uh-oh. The flu. Oh no, not today.
Have you seen Reese this morning?
I have not. No biscuit. No pets. No walk.
Something must be wrong.
Ranger, I'm so sick. I have to stay inside today.
Is there anything I can do for you, Reese?
Sorry, Ranger, I have to go.
Reese is unwell.
What? Why?
These things happen. She won't be able to come outside today.
That's a shame. It's such a lovely day. Well, we can't just stand around talking about how awful this is. We need to help Reese. Reese didn't ask for our help. No, but she needs it all the same. Happy, let's just take charge of this situation. Stay to your business. I need into the house. Why? To make Reese some applesauce. I gathered these myself. Under these special circumstances, we will allow you into the kitchen and then straight up to Reese's room. Next, we have beautifully want to help Mama. These will cheer her up. How thoughtful, my babies. Upstairs you go. What do you have to offer? We're golds. We are expert snugglers. We're very attuned to the emotions of people. We provide comfort whenever it's needed. Well, up you go then. What are we waiting for? At this rate, Reese will feel better in no time. What a nightmare. I have never felt so sick. Now is not the time to come begging for food.
You've got it all wrong, Daisy. We're offering Reese our pail so she doesn't have to keep running to the bathroom.
My apologies. I was too hasty. That's very generous of you. Come on inside.
People always be just jumping to conclusions about us.
I would like to perform a song for Reese. That's my guitar, Scout. May I please borrow your guitar, Happy? Yes, just this once. Who's next? I would like to give Reese these fresh eggs. She will probably want a nice scramble and toast when her appetite comes back. Hopefully that happens soon. Thank you, Mrs. Hen. Ranger, you appear to be empty-handed.
I don't have anything to give. I was hoping that I could tell Reese a story.
Well, if anyone has good stories, it would be you. Go upstairs and share all of your heroic tales.
Sure.
Daisy? Yes? I would like to hear Ranger's story. Me too. Let's go upstairs. Tell us about it. I want to hear the one about the skunk. Ranger, tell the mountain lion. What if Ranger tells them all? Tell them all, Ranger.
Well, One sunny day on the farm.
Just 1 minute, Ranger. You didn't fight a rhinoceros in real life, did you, Ranger?
I'm taking some artistic liberties.
Well, I like it. Tell us more. Quietly, everyone. We have to let Reese sleep in peace. Well done, everyone. I bet Reese will be feeling better in no time. I love you. Good night, Reese. Sweet dreams. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.